Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 15 Impala LTZ car from down in Phoenix, Arizona. So no rust issues. Does have some rock chips on the hood. Otherwise the body's pretty straight, black wheels. Actually I think they're called LTZ, but I think they go by Premier, don't they? But anyway, loaded up leather. 100,593 is the miles. Push button start, heated steering wheel, collision alert, heated seats, and cooled seats. Memory seats, Bose stereo. So a nice sedan. Power seat, of course. Gray leather interior. Body's, like I said, a few scratches here and there, nothing, typical few on the plastic bumper where everybody sets anything. That's probably the biggest scratch on it anywhere. Otherwise, pretty nice. Got a good look to it. Black wheels, black paint. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty, which is comprehensive: drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. So we stand behind our cars, nice clean Arizona car, ready to cruise down the highway. 605-695-7391 or the office 605-692-7010.